People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Just identify yourself.
Kirk Ricketts, Superintendent of Police, St. Andrew South Division.
What can you tell us so far?
Well, we're currently still on an active scene, a scene of shooting. We had men engaging the police in the Riverton city space. At the end of that incident, we are now looking at 3 men being shot and killed, and 4 persons being arrested and in custody, 2 males, 2 females.
Who are these men?
As I indicated, it's still early days. This happened about 40 minutes ago, where we are still trying to identify them. So we'll be able to speak on that a bit later. But as we speak, we know that the Riverton space is inundated with gangs and gang members, and as such, we have ensured to have a round-the-clock presence in the space as it relates to police officers. And from time to time, we do come into contact with these criminal suspects, and today is just one of those days. I am really, while it's unfortunate that we had a situation where we had persons losing their lives, I'm really heartened that none of my police officers would have been injured today. They were challenged by some ruthless criminals, and the police officers with the superior training, they were able to prevail in this instance.
So they saw the police and engaged the police?
The police saw 2 vehicles exiting the community and attempted to intercept these 2 vehicles. The men immediately exited the vehicles and opened fire at the police. The police took evasive actions, returned fire, and as I indicated earlier, at the end of the incident, we had 3 persons. We found 3 persons suffering from gunshot wounds, and when rushed to the hospital, they were pronounced dead. We also have in custody 4 other persons, 2 females and 2 males.
You mentioned that you see 2 firearms, right?
2 weapons were recovered, 1 rifle and 1 pistol.
Okay, where these shootings happened? On Spanish Town Road or in the community?
Right behind me.
What is the name of the area?
The Gully Bank.
Gully Bank, okay.
It's known as the Gully Bank.